Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. I'm actually in my daughter's room right now, so excuse the background. It looks kind of crazy, I know. But I made these cute shelf things out of popsicle sticks and just some cardstock paper, you guys. And she's already, she took it and she done set it up in her room. So I just want to show you guys how it turned out. She has it on her desk right now. And that is the pink one that I made, and that is the blue one. They came out, and of course you guys know I made that in a previous video. But you guys, look at that. It looks super cute. Yeah, she got the lip scrub, the lotions, everything that I made. This is pretty much the room that it comes to. And she has her bed also set up over there, set up over here. And that is the other craft that I made. She just set it up on the wall. She hung it up over there. She plans on putting some pictures behind each one, like a little frame. They came out super cute. So I love those the most. Like, those shelves are freaking awesome. And for popsicle sticks with both crafts, you guys, like, this was a really cheap DIY. Cheap. I used 3 packs in total, so $3. And cardstock paper I got from Amazon, but that was, I think, $5. It was like an add-on. Anyways, let's go ahead and get up into this craft. Okay, so of course you're going to need a lot of popsicle sticks as well as a lot of glue sticks. And then what you're going to want to do first is just go ahead and start laying them out on your surface in the shape that you would pretty much like to build up and create into some wall art. Alright, you guys, so I am done. I ended up doing 2 that is the same width. They are 9 popsicle sticks high. I'm not gonna lie, it took me probably about an hour to do both of these, and about a good 250 popsicle sticks. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take some cardstock, and I'm going to just go ahead and line the insides of the popsicle sticks. Alright, so I finished this one back here, and as you can see, it is still some edges exposed. So what I'm going to do is just go over those pieces with glitter. As you see, I'm doing this one in pink, and then I'm going to, like I said, hit the edges and the corners with glitter so you can't see the popsicle sticks. Okay, so I'm actually done, and I just put some little candles and things on it. You know, this is one way that she can set it up. I think they are totally cute and adorable. She can you know, change the way that they sit up. She can also hang these on the wall if she wanted to. I think these are super cute. She could stack them on top of each other. It's just so much she could do. But you guys, this was super cheap and easy. So to make all of this, it just was popsicle sticks, which was $3 a pack, $3 for all 3 packs. But yeah, you guys, I love these. She can use these to set her nail polish up on, and it's going to be cute. Put a little makeup on it, and she's good to go. For the next project, all you're going to do is take 4 popsicle sticks and glue them together till you get a complete square. And you're going to want to do that. I ended up just doing 12. I didn't want my artwork to be that big. So my daughter actually glued these together for me. Now what I'm going to do is just, you know what, I honestly have no idea. I guess I'm just going to place these in random spots. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so immediately after painting this, as you can see, I started up here. The yellows, like they're different shades of red, which I don't want. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cover the whole thing in black acrylic paint first. And then I'm going to go back in and hit it with some red and see what that does. Alright, so this is all done, painted black, and as you can see, it looks a lot better. I've been debating on if I just want to keep it. I think I like it black. I think I'm just going to keep it black. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm just going to keep it black. Alright, yeah, so this one's done. I'm just going to keep it black, but this is some really quick wall art that you can do. As you could also put bling on these. You could put mirrors on these, all types of things. Me myself, I'm just gonna leave it. I think I'm just gonna leave it blank like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it blank. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it blank.